Hello, my name is Alex Dixon, and today I want to share with y'all this exceptional product that I myself use, the Bushnell Rangefinder Tour V4. When playing golf, you need to have confidence in your equipment, and Bushnell is the answer. Bushnell laser rangefinders are the #1 rangefinders in professional golf and are used by more than 97% of PGA Tour pros. Bushnell was established in 1948 and has been the leader in high-performance sport optics for more than 65 years. They have won multiple design and performance awards. Their product innovation is unmatched. For example, they developed the Combo Laser GPS rangefinder, which was first of its kind. Our guiding principle is to provide the highest quality, most reliable, and affordable sport optic products on the market. Now you may ask, what is a rangefinder? A rangefinder is a handheld tool used by golfers to shoot distances on the golf course. This allows golfers to quickly and easily know the distance of the flag and other objects on the course, which may include things they want to avoid, for example, sand bunkers or water. Now, why Bushnell? Bushnell is a #1 choice of professional golfers. Some of the biggest tour pros on the PGA Tour at this moment use Bushnell, including Brooks Koepka and Ricky Fowler. For example, during the 2018 Players Championship, 99% of the pros used Bushnell. Now let's go over 5 features of the Bushnell Rangefinder Tour 4. First is accuracy. With the use of the state-of-the-art laser rangefinder, distances are precise with yardage accuracy of plus or minus only 1 yard, and with a range of 5 to 1,000 yards, which is exceptional considering the longest hole you may come upon on a golf course is maybe a par 5 at 600 yards. Second, optic focus. The fast focus system allows golfers to adjust the optic focus to their liking, and with 5 times magnification, it ensures sight clarity and target accuracy. Third is the jolt. The rangefinder has a pin-seeking jolt, which is a vibration that gives the tactical confirmation that the laser has targeted and locked onto the flag. So it is a physical alert that lets you know when the laser has officially gotten the precise distance, which is very helpful for older golfers, and it helps the pace, makes it a lot quicker. Fourth is size. The rangefinder is 4 inches long and fits comfortably into the hand with a width of only 1.5 inches. It is designed with state-of-the-art Staby Grit technology, which makes it comfortable to hold and easy to hold on to, which will help prevent slippage and damaging the rangefinder by dropping it. Now I have my own rangefinder as an example for the size. Alright. Fifth is the sleekness and the style of the rangefinder. The style is very modern and simple and gender neutral. The colors are bright, which make it easy to locate and find in a dark golf bag. The sleek plastic shell helps to keep it clean, and it's also very durable. It will never go out of style. Now let's talk about the price. The retail price of the Bushnell Rangefinder Tour V4 is $299.99. Currently, it is on sale for $249.99. As well, Bushnell offers a 2-year warranty for all their rangefinders, which is very appealing to the customers that for some reason if it gets damaged or broken within the first 2 years, they can get it fixed or replaced. Now let's dive into my own personal experience as a golfer using Bushnell. I have been golfing since I was 13, and I golf competitively for 8 years. I have had this Bushnell that I showed y'all earlier for 4 years, and it has transformed my golf game. It was very beneficial in my high school years and my first college year in helping me go to the next level. And it also helped me with my confidence as a golfer. Having accurate measurements on the golf course is extremely crucial because it determines what club you use, how you play the hole, what to avoid. It's extremely beneficial to know the exact measurements of things on the course, not just the flag on the green. Why Bushnell is a good purchase. Golf is a huge industry, generating $84 billion in revenue a year. And it's growing. With new attractions such as Top Golf, the sport is becoming more popular and inviting a new and younger demographic. An estimated 2.6 million new beginners were in 2018. New beginners meaning people that play golf for the first time or just joined the sport. The 2.6 in 2018 was near record levels and marked the 5th year that there were over 2 million newcomers on the sport. Also, there has been a rise in female, non-Caucasian, and junior golfers, which is a really exciting statistic, meaning that there's a new demographic with younger and excited athletes. Golf is a booming industry with an outreach of over 107 million, and 70% of recreational golfers use rangefinders. This is a needed product, and it is a well-liked product, including myself. Bushnell, the time is now to use Bushnell.